Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to be working on the Civic again. So today I'm going to be ripping out the subframe, and I'm also going to be taking off the front bar because I'm just going to give the car a nice clean. Pretty much in the engine bay, underneath the cars, all in the wheel wells too. I'm going to get rid of all that dust because there's nothing like working on the car and then you're getting dust in your eyes. It's too dirty. So while the car's all stripped apart, I might as well do it. Alright guys, so front bar is off. So this is the stuff that I was talking about, you know. Look under here, the wheel well here. You've just got accumulation of all this dust here. So it's pretty, makes your hands pretty dirty when you're working on the car. So especially all this stuff here, see the side skirts, I've got an accumulation of just leaves and dirt in here. So I might take the side skirts off too, just to get rid of all that dirt. But look at all these spider webs and stuff like that all here. It will just make it a bit more cleaner when I actually do have to work on the suspension and stuff like that. So I might as well do it now while I've got everything apart and the subframe's coming out. So look at all this spider webs and stuff in here. So yeah, no, it'll be good. It'll be good. Right, so just gonna take off these side skirts here. So if you haven't taken off Civic side skirts before, they're just a couple of these little stupid plastic, plastic screws here. So there's around about 8 of them here. And then what you do is you just tap the side skirts towards the engine. Okay, so I've just removed the side skirt on this side, and look at all this. That just fell out once I popped this side skirts off. It's not going to do anything much on the track, but I'm already washing pretty much all the motor, so might as well get rid of it. Okay, the back the same. Look at all this dirt here that's just accumulated. So I might take off the back bumper too while I'm at it now. Took off the tail lights. Oh, this thing's getting out of control. Rear bumper is off, as you can see, pretty dirty too. I'm pretty sure we're just going to take this rear off because we ain't going to need that for the racetrack. So, right, so I've just taken the rest of the power steering assembly off. So there's the pump and the lines that supply the power steering rack. So they just sat here. I just took it all off because we're going to take the subframe out now. So there's around about 2 bolts. So there's one subframe bolt here, and there's another one underneath there, and on the other side too. So only 4 bolts, and then I'll get a jack underneath here, and then we'll just take it out. Okay, so 1 bolt there, another one back at the lower control arm there. Subframe just dropped out. I'll put this over there. I'll hit it with a bit of degreaser, and then we'll. I've got the Roby gurney over there, so we'll just give this a quick wash. Alright guys, so I've taken out the subframe, separated the power steering rack so we can give it a nice clean now. Let's just get our D-wax, give it a nice quick hit. Get rid of all the power steering fluid that we just put on there. That's going to look pretty good once we spray it all black. We're going to be upgrading these sway bars and the lower control arm bushes, I'm pretty sure we are. I'll just give the rack a bit of a clean. We're going to be upgrading the steering rack bushes on these. Alright guys, so the subframe is all nice and clean from the power steering fluid that went everywhere. I wire brushed the surface rust off, so that is all good to go. I'm going to take off the sway bar and the control arm because I'm going to be upgrading those with possibly hard race ones, not too sure yet, but we'll have to have a look. And then get it ready for paint. I think I'm going to end up taking the front spindle and shocks out just so I can get a clean a little bit better at the back. Alright guys, so as you can see it's pretty bare in here now, so we can probably give this area a nice scrub. That's the power steering fluid, just leaked all over here, but yeah, now we got a whole lot of area here that we can clean up properly now. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the back wheels, and then I'm going to put it on a pallet and I'm going to drag it out there and I'm going to give it a nice wash. So we finally got the car outside, now on the jack stands here. So it's suddenly changed in the last few days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hit it with all degreaser, let it soak for a bit, and I got the gurney out and give it a once over. Alright, so I got to do this pretty quick. You can see it's getting pretty cloudy now, so just going to hit it with a bit of degreaser, a little bit of car wash soap around the wheel wells, and then I'm just going to go underneath too. Alright guys, you wouldn't believe it. I just started washing the Civic outside here and it's bloody raining. Alright guys, so I can't do much more today. Plenty more coming on the track Civic. So we've pulled the motor out. We gave it a nice clean, got rid of all that 25-year-old dust. I guess in the next video I'm going to start pulling apart the motor. So I'm going to change the oil pump. I'm going to put a K24 in. I'm going to put a new baffle in, probably do the timing chain also while I'm there. Fix a couple of things, get it ready to put into the Civic. So exciting times here. If you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Check out the track Evo build. Plenty more coming your way. So like and subscribe, tell all your mates, and I'll see you guys in the next video.